So I'm going to begin by unboxing my Neewer ring light. I purchased this ring light from Amazon. It was about $109. However, I did get it for 30% off, which saved me quite some money. So in this box, there was a few papers and instructions on how to set up the ring light. Now, if you're like me, I don't look at the instructions. I just go along with it. It also comes with 2 filters, a white and an orange one, 3 sets of wire, one of which is an adapter, the part to hold your phone or camera, and this part, which is a remote controller. It works by Bluetooth, so you just connect it to your phone or camera or whatever device you're working with. Now, I did find that the stand for my ring light was a bit heavy, but I'd say that is fine. I didn't mind that, honestly. I did have difficulties with figuring out how to make it stand up correctly with opening it out, but I realized that it just opens up upside down, if you get what I mean. I guess once you set it up, you'll be able to realize how it all goes together. It's not that difficult. I did expect this extra part to bend because on the picture on Amazon it did show it bending. However, I don't think that worked with mine. I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten it up. Now, I did expect this part to extend a bit more. If you do have a larger phone, you might have difficulty with using this, so you might need to buy an extra piece or a replacement or something. The adapter is 250 volts in case anyone is curious. And I do hope you enjoyed this video. This is the natural light, the white filter, and then the orange.